Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 25th of September 2024. The day is Wednesday. It is trending day. A lot of range in the day was expected today. So, what is this going on here? Well, guys, you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. This is your favorite show that you are here for. My name is Rakesh, and I am your host here. My request is that please do not confuse me as if I am an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, because I'm not. I'm just using their YouTube platform to showcase my own analysis, which I will be doing right now in front of you live. So if you have any questions, queries, or requests, you can ask them in the chat box that is provided. And we'll be discussing the price action for all the major currencies here. And we'll not talk about any fundamental. Okay, we'll only talk about the price action, or in other sense, you can say we will only go through the charts, because every thing that is happening in and around the world is already priced into the chart, so we'll not talk about anything else. And in the process, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts, and we'll see how we can create, or we can mark basically the key levels from where the prices can reverse. Okay, and we will see how we can use them into our trading setups. Now at the end of the session, I will be answering the questions which my viewers will be asking, so I request you to please ask your questions in the chat box. And before I start this stream, I must tell you that this is only for information or knowledge purpose. It should not be seen as a trading advice. Please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line in the real market. Okay. Also, before I start, I must go through the standard disclaimer. So let's go. As you can pause the video here, and please go through this and understand it, because there is certain risk that is involved if you trade on the margin money. Once you're done, then only move on to the charts. So here are your charts, guys. This is the daily chart of the US dollar index. When I zoom out, you can see that the price was going down from quite a long time now. And today, we were expecting the price to reach for 99.86. Yesterday, it did went lower to 99.89. And it was just short of 3 points from our low that we were looking for, and therefore it reversed from there and is trying to trade higher now. Will it go higher? Well, it can go higher, but we are not looking for higher prices here. We are actually looking for the lower prices, lower than 99.86. There is a possibility that the price will go here and then reject badly. This is possibility, or otherwise it can keep going higher and break all these fair value gaps. This is possible. But are we going to buy this market? No, we are not going to buy this market because of the resistance that is that can be seen here and here. So we are not buying this market. Yes, we will be looking for a selling opportunity, although today's selling opportunities are not there. Tomorrow we may get the selling opportunities because the price has reached very close to the resistance. So what about the pound here? Yes, the price is going lower. We'll be looking for the buying opportunities close to 1.3248. Okay. Now, how you can get those buying opportunities? I'm just giving you one example. You can apply this to the others. Say these are the swing highs, and this is one swing low. Okay, and say this becomes the second swing low. So the price will start moving like this. Generally, price will start moving like this. Okay. And this will be your channel to the downside. Now, till the time this channel is holding above 1.3248, we are looking for the buying opportunity. Okay. If the price goes below this, then we will stop looking for the buying opportunities. Why? Because that is a potential support. If something like this happens, we will buy here. Getting my point? This is 1 hour chart. You can go on the lower time frames also, but I think 1 hour is sufficient. Something similar is expected in the euro also. The the price has taken the highs 1.1214 and now the price is going lower, but it has not traded this fair value gap. I'm expecting this price to actually trade this fair value gap. uh, will that happen? We are not sure, because once it is traded, so next time it doesn't need to trade it, but because it has taken the liquidity above, it can go lower for some, say, order block. Actually, this is the order block right now. No, this is not the order block. It has not traded any fair value gap. This is actually the order block, this candle here. How? Because after closing higher than this, now this is the last candle which traded the fair value gap, and now this candle has closed higher than this, so this becomes an order block. The price should not close the day below the 50% of this candle. What does it mean? It means if I have the Fibonacci retracements from this low to this high, then the price should not close below 1.1128 today. If the price closes below 1.1128, then it will not be a very good, I'll say, price action for going long. But then it will be called heavy and the price will get rejected and get fall from it. This is what my expectation is. What about the Australian dollar? Australian dollar also, this is the order block. Why? How something becomes an order block? In my understanding, an order block is when something has traded the fair value gap, and of course the down close candle has traded the fair value gap, and one green candle closes above the high of this. When this candle closed, this was not an order block, but when this candle closed, this became an order block. So 50% of this is at around what, 0.606806. Till the time price is trading above this, or I will say till the time the price does not close below this, we are good to go with the long entries. Okay, we are good to go with the long entries. That's all. So this is based on the, say, ICT concepts. Now from the market structures point of view, the price made this low here and thereafter it made this high here, so this becomes your market structure low long term. Okay, this is long term. I can remove now these fair value gaps because these are over, and after this the price made a high here and it made a low here. So you can say that this can also be seen as a price which is this is a low which is valid for shifting the market structure. Okay, so say if the price drops below this 0.6783, then we will not be looking for the buying opportunities in this one. In the same I will say, at the same time, if we are looking for the buying opportunities here in this market, to what extent we can look for the buying opportunities? To the same extent. Okay, to the same extent. So till this area 0.6783, we can look for buying opportunities, or the buying opportunity will come when the price breaks higher. Okay, and if in the process the price trades below 0.6783, then we will stop looking for the buying opportunities in this market. You might be thinking, oh, all these red candles and Rakesh is talking about the buying opportunities. You will realize this when the price breaks out from. Okay. So what about the New Zealand dollar? Similar is the case with the New Zealand dollar. Here, this is not the order block because it has not traded any fair value gap. On the 4 hour, maybe it is. And let us check on the 4 hour. Even on the 4 hour, it is not. This one is the one. This is not the order block. Sorry, guys, I marked it wrong. This is your order block. Okay. And if you talk about the 4 hour, actually, this value gap has traded this one, this. So this is also an order block. So the price should not go below this, I think. Let's see how the things unfold. Tomorrow we will check this out. Price should not go and trade below 0.6259. If it trades below this, then I will take it as a bearish rejection and the price will go down, and this order block may also be traded. Although this is one order block, then thereafter this down close candle traded this one, thereafter this down close down. So this is your propulsion block even. So what I mean to say is that this is your, okay, forget about it. Um, this one here is your propulsion block. So if the price gets to this value, that is around this 0.6260, then I think there will be a huge buying near New Zealand in this level. There will be a huge buying close to this level in the New Zealand dollar. What about the USD CHF? I'm not buying this market. I'm not selling this market. It is going nowhere. So if it is consolidating, I'm not interested in this market. What about the USD CAD? I told you yesterday also that the price has traded this. Now it has given us a clean close below this also. Now a clean close below the liquidity is actually not so good for the pair. So we are looking for now the lower prices. 1.3359 is where my eye is on at now, 1.3359, and thereafter 1.3177 in this market. With this green candle, I'm not very much convinced. I will be looking for the lower prices again if we get an opportunity to go short tomorrow. What about the USD JPY? Well, after bearish rejection and bearish engulfing on the daily yesterday, today's price action has taken the high of yesterday's candle. Now, if it closes above the 50% of this, above the 50% of this, which is 144.55, then this will become a bullish price action and the price will start going towards this fair value gap, which is the last fair value gap and very strong also. So that will be acting as a resistance for me. What about the Bitcoin? Well, we are looking for the lower prices. You see the price has failed to go even higher than 65,061 for the consecutively 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Today or tomorrow or maybe day after, we are looking for a very good displacement lower from here, and then this fair value gap, I'm expecting it to act as a resistance from the downside when the price approaches. Okay, and I'll be looking for the lower prices in this one. Right now the resistance is 65,061. If the price trades above and closes above, then we'll be looking for 70,037. But my bias is bearish and I am looking for the lower prices. Something like this I'm expecting to happen. What about Brent, guys? Brent traded into the fair value gap once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, 6 times. Yesterday it went higher, failed to close above the 50% of this fair value gap, gave us a rejection, closed almost at the level of this body of the candles. Today it has given us a rejection, has almost tried to close below this white candle. Now this will act as an order block. Tomorrow if the price tries to go higher, it will be rejected from these levels and pushed towards 69.31. This is all the price action that I am expecting on this one. Got my idea? Yes, guys, I hope you got it. Okay, so the minimum target I'll be looking for is 68.70 because I'll be looking for the previous lows to be tested in this market. Let's see how the things unfold. Okay, what is gold showing? Gold is just giving us an inside bar today. I would love to see the price trading this fair value gap and going higher, but it has not given us any buying opportunity, at least for today. So price is consolidating. I'm not very much willing to buy this market right now, although it is expected to go higher. Euro JPY, we closed the day lower, then we closed the very next day higher, and the price is still going higher. 162.90 is what I'm expecting. Actually, I'm expecting the price to drop before it reaches 162.90. This fair value gap may not be enough to push the prices higher. This is broken, the price is balanced. Now this low here, okay, actually this is not valid for shifting the market structure. Actually, there is no low which is valid to shift the market structure. So there is a possibility that the price will keep going higher, take the liquidity and then come lower. Till now, or you can say I'm not very comfortable reading this price here. If I'm not comfortable in reading the price, I'll try to stay away. I cannot make out from this price action what is going on here. Okay, there is no respect for this recent fair value gap. There is no other fair value gap. So I would say that there is no direction. There is no clear direction in this. GBP AUD, we are expecting longs in this one, but this price action is slightly choppy. So I will wait for the price to get a clear direction, something like this. When it happens, we'll be giving you what we call it, a signal or an alert here that yes, something is happening in the GBP UD and now is the time to go higher. Right now is not the time to go higher. It is just loading and packing. Once it is loaded and packed to the moon, we will tell you before it is launched. CHF JPY, all the downside targets taken, then the price entered the entry fair value gap. Actually, this is the entry fair value gap. Sorry, this is the last fair value gap. This is the entry fair value gap. The price has traded once, then it has traded the midpoint. Now I think it is trying to go higher. I'll not be surprised to see that the price goes higher. But if the price goes higher than this fair value gap, which I have made now, then I will be surprised because I am bearish on this one. But I'm looking for 50% or less on this fair value gap. So I'm expecting the price to go towards this area around 171.40 to 147, 171.30 levels. And from there, I am looking for a rejection. And if that happens, I'll be very happy to sell short and look for the levels like these levels 165.27 to be tested in this market. Okay, so this is a very clean price action. If you see, yeah, a very clean price action. Or in New Zealand, yesterday a clean close below these lows, and now the price has given us a fair value gap. Also, almost on the daily, the price doesn't go higher. Then it will be having a fair value gap here, if you see, okay, and that will be acting as a resistance for the price. But same time, we have a fair value gap at the lows. This liquidity is taken yesterday, and the price is trying to go high. So yes, after this leg high, this was the only fair value gap. It has been traded now. The price should continue higher towards 1.1058 now. So this is my expectation. Okay, this is done. So now this is the next expectation. All right, this is my expectation now. Gas, almost all targets by gas are taken. Yesterday we told you that since the price has closed above this fair value gap now, this will be acting as a support. Don't believe my words, just go through this price action, guys. You see the price tried to go lower, but it did not manage a close below the 50% of this fair value gap. So the next candle did not even trade, I think 50%, and it's trying to close higher. Any close, since this candle has traded this fair value gap by wick, so any close higher than 2.8991 on the daily candle will make this as an order block, the high of this, okay, and then this level of 2.9578 will be a joke for the price to take. Joke means it will be very easy for the price to reach over here, and then the next target of 3.16 will be taken very easily. Okay, this is my expectation, guys. In the EuroCAD, I don't have to mention anything now. My viewers already know what has happened here. There was a fair value gap, then there was a down move. This fair value gap became an inverse, and today it is giving us a bearish pin bar and bearish engulfing both at the same time. So next week, what I am expecting here, EuroCAD, I am expecting 1.4885. This is our expectation. Ethereum is similar like the Bitcoin. Expect lower prices here. This liquidity is taken. This fair value gap is stopping the price. In fact, this fair value is also stopping the price. So 2117 is on the charts now for us to take. That's all, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me now before I end the session. All right, guys. I hope that you have now the knowledge of the immediate levels of support and resistance in this week and for the next week. Just remember to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade or less than 1% on any single trade. Try to make 3 times of the risk that you are taking, okay? And how you can achieve this actually, you can adjust your position size. See, in Forex, you can adjust your position size very easily. So you have to adjust your position in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than whatever risk that you're taking, okay? It should be 1% or less. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. You please smash the like button if you find it useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published online. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm here every day from Monday to Friday to share my views on where are the key levels which market is trying to go for. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Till then, bye bye and take care. Guys, today's takeaway from this stream is, you see here, we had two obvious trades today. One is EuroCAD. It's a very clear direction that it is going for 1.4885. This is first thing. Thereafter, we have a very clear direction of the gas. It is going for 2.9578. I have no doubt in my mind that it is going for this, okay? CHFJPY, we have a clear direction. Not yet, okay, not yet. We need some red candle and it should come out of this first. GBPUD, that direction is not clear. Euro is not clear. Gold is not clear. Brent is clear direction now. If it closed below the low of this opening of 19th September, then we will be very, very bearish in this one and we'll be looking for the low prices here. So we have a lot of potential trades today, which we can actually enter tomorrow or day after based on the 1 hour or 15 minutes charts, okay? If you want to take a risk, even New Zealand dollar is a good one. It is very close to the support area. This 0.6259 is the support area. You want to go long here, you can keep your stop loss, I think, yeah, below the low of this candle. What is the low of this candle? 0.6236. So this is almost 40 points stop and approximately 100 points of profit potential, even more, because this is what I'm looking for, the 4-hour point of view. From the daily, it will have more targets, more potential targets on the upside. Yeah, you can target 0.6536 also. But anyways, I'm not a trading advisor. I'm just giving you the levels. So today we have many potential. That's all, guys, from my side. I hope to see you tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care.